Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna here, and here basically we are discussing about one topic, that is currencies dependency. Here basically we are discussing one topic, that is train basically train. Train is moving in this track base. So here basically I have taken one example of one track basically. So that basically this is basically going to help to the railway department also basically. This video basically. So one of the person told that how basically train is running here basically. Train basically can't run on the base of the two tracks and the simple wire basically. That's not possible here basically. Then he told that basically in last video basically we have explained each and everything. Then basically he told that how basically this planet basically are created here basically. Then he basically given the explanation that same way basically the tomato is created. Tomato is going to use for what purpose basically. That is basically created. First of all, the human needs basically get satisfied. Human basically can think up to this level basically, as per the as per the tomato is designed, and that design basically is displayed how basically the tomato is going to react. That basically is displayed by the Bollywood group. They basically has displayed in the form of incident. Whenever tomato creation was ongoing, that time Bollywood group basically told that basically this is going to happen, that is going to happen, that is going to maximum, this is going to happen, maximum, this is going to happen, minimum, this is going to happen, minimum, this type of incidence is that person is going to do by eating tomato. This going to happen after a certain time basically, this is going to happen after eating the tomato basically. On that day basically he is going to do this perform, after next day basically he is going to that perform, like this basically step by step basically they have displayed each and every incidents basically. What are the things going to happen from the tomato basically, on the base of tomato eating basically. So tomato energy is basically one energy basically which he has eaten basically, and that basically they have displayed in the form of Bollywood style basically. But that basically they have to display each and everything basically, because that basically Bollywood things basically which are getting, and the incidents form basically, that is watched by the Universe group. That means Bollywood groups are connected with Universe group also. Bollywood groups are connected with the Universe group also. That means there are lots of people basically of Bollywood also basically. They might be connected with the Bollywood by the Universe group basically. Like this basically, that was the incident, right? Now basically the one person told that basically how that this railway basically track basically is getting pressured here basically. That basically which type of energy basically there. Then the European people told that basically we have taken few energy basically. European people basically are created by the German group, basically. They told that basically they have created few blood group basically are created, and they were basically same way basically the TCS project was created. TCS project, how it was launched. Same way few people basically was placed here. They were given the training, and they were basically given set of foods basically, so that basically they can think up to that level. So the thinking basically was controlled by the German group basically. The each and every human needs basically was given by the German group. They basically control that particular group basically, who was in the creation of railway track. That time basically that time basically the German group basically has not given the information. That mostly basically few people basically might be connected with the German group basically, that this is the thing basically, we are going to take the satellite data, and we are going to give the pressure to the train basically. So data basically you have to select basically which type of data can be taken into the railway pressure basically. So this is that railway basically. So like this basically things are basically there. So he told that basically which type of data basically can take, and we can create the planets basically. So he told that basically till now basically we have created more than 1500 planets basically, and 1500 planets basically are giving the pressure to the entire railway track basically of this world basically, entire railway track of this world basically. So he told that basically how many planets are basically created for the India track basically. Then he told that basically these all are the list basically, who are basically controlling the Indian railway track. Who are the list basically which are controlling the, this is basically new project, just now basically it has generated, but in data format it might not be there, because it's already created. That means project is there basically, but data might not be in one format basically. So he told that basically this is the country basically. For example, New Zealand track basically, there are more than 1 lakh track basically. So that track is controlled by this electric power and from that planets basically, and this is the satellite basically. Then he told that who is controlling the South Africa. Then he told that basically this is the track basically. Then he told that basically who is track and the satellite, and that's planets basically. Then he told that who is controlling the Australian railway track. Then he told that this is the planets, this is the satellites, and this is the basically track. They are controlling it. Then basically like this he told that basically who is controlling the uh, Saudi Arab and the Dubai and Sharjah Ajman basically. Then into the these all are the planets basically. That's a, they only basically will be going to create the data basically. Each and every country basically will be responsible for this data basically, which has to create. They only basically are going to create the data. So like this basically, for example, India basically is having so it's basically huge task basically. So he told that basically India basically, that's why basically people says that what actually government are doing. So these all tasks government are doing basically. Government are not sitting idle basically. So like this he told that basically that's very dangerous task basically they are doing. Like this he told that the Indian government basically are handling here this railway track basically. They have to handle the latest energy also basically. So he told that for that basically we have created project also basically in .NET in PHP, and this is the project manager, and this is the project leader, and this is the CEO, this is the vice president, and this is the software company basically who is handling this project. Then he told that okay. So how many planets basically are controlling this track basically? Then he told that around 1700 planets basically are there basically, 1800 planets basically are there basically who are controlling this track pressure basically. And this is the power supply which is supplying to the railway track, and this is the basically the track basically where the railway is going to, train is going to run basically. Then he told that okay, so who is basically, which type of human needs basically are controlling this type of data basically? That is the, that planet basically require the data basically. Without data basically they are going to they are basically created by earth planet human only basically, so they need the data also basically, like this basically, which groups basically are giving. For that basically we have created a special blood group basically. So but each and like this basically, see, the blood groups are also created, blood groups are also created so that basically it should be easy to recognize. So these all are the blood groups here basically we have created, and like this basically the train is going to control. So this is okay basically. Then it also yes basically it's very dangerous basically. Then basically the European group basically told that basically it's very dangerous project basically. We are handling it now basically. The Indian groups are basically handling it. We are basically left long before basically. So now it's Indian group basically who are handling this type of project basically. Then he told that basically okay, but who is handling basically? Yeah, we want some information from the railway side basically, that which are the 1700 1800 planet basically, where basically they are, and which of all blood group basically they are helping to the data, helping to give the data to that 1800 planet basically. And then 1800 planet basically are giving the data back to in the form of the pressure so that the train can be run easily. Then he told that yes basically we have the project here, we have the project also, we have the data also, who are basically giving the data, who are basically creating the data, that data also we have. Like this basically he told that basically do we have the project basically? Yes we have the project, but exactly basically it's difficult to tell that we, because each and every project basically are kept separately with the 100 software companies basically. They have kept each and every project basically, so we need to find to, we need to contact to that particular big software companies basically who are earning 90,000 80,000 crore rupees. Like this basically we have to track, and it's a big infrastructure no, basically they can keep easily that data basically. So that's why basically 80,000 90 crore basically are given also basically, so that basically they should not do any mistake in this for example somebody gives the money and tells basically you do this that, so basically they will not do this type of thing, because we are only giving them the 90,000 80,000 crore basically. So like this basically, see how the controls are basically done. Like this basically, this is also one of the idea basically which is created by the earth planet. In next video basically we are going to see little bit more about the ideas, and this is basically one of the idea of train basically. Like this in next video we are going to see a little bit idea of related to train only basically in next video.